Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps, which you can review by going to the recent section, here you have lots of opened apps. So what you can do to close them all at once, because you don't need it right now, so why not to close them? Just swipe here. Wait, not swipe. You don't have to swipe anywhere, just tap on the cross here, and after that all of these applications will be closed and recent section will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.